So I'm walking. It's tough. I'm telling you right now. It is tough as shit to walk on trails that have been snowed over. Like, look at this. Holy shit. Whew. So beautiful in Wisconsin. Swear to God. So beautiful when it snows. Summers are amazing too, actually. Just as beautiful. It's amazing. Oh, man. Look, I'm planning to do this for like 2 hours. This is probably like a few minutes into my walk video, you know? I'm not gonna record the whole walk. I might post another video after I'm done, but that's pretty much it. But man, you gotta love this park. I love this walk. Whew, that's amazing. That's amazing. It's beautiful walking. It's luscious as hell. I swear, you know what? Hands down, my state is probably the best state. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit what anybody says. If there's like a famous person in that state that some other person's state has, I don't give a fuck. My state is beautiful. It's beautiful. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna keep on walking. I might post a few photos on my Instagram, actually. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see. Oh, actually, I might have to say one more thing. I had a few friends of mine saying, "Oh, you should walk in your videos. What happened to you walking?" Oh, here I am. I'm walking, bros. Hope you guys are happy. I'm walking. This is gonna be a 2-hour walk. And yeah, peace.